Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Sadon ki bla ubade uksiang ubala syatung na kabenta Jingïakren isuk Hapdeng ke Sorkar wat kasengking atiar ke jela kata ke Hnlc National Liberation Council wat ubade unong yalam jo kaseng Hnlc National Youth Front habaya kenen kilat pathai khubor menta kesengi baar ke kharbai tarik ubenaya yong arajar arpulai ulong ba ke Jingïakren isuk kanang yat bet chakman hanai namar ke jingdon ke election MLE hakitu kisengi beladap kumta ke klemshem na don satia kanu ke Jingïakren isuk hagite kisengi. Uba Sadon ulai thu bagate ke Jingïakren Hapdeng ke Sorkar bagate ke sengking atiar haduk menta 4 bu satya ye kimat Jingïakren isuk ha ke Jingïakren isuk Hapdeng ke seng Hnlc ke Sorkar jela bat ke Sorkar Hapdeng shu ulong bakani ka kam Jingïakren isuk kam dei ke besuk dan ni ka kam le Kyrkieh namar yo kami kanu ke jingbam ya habdor hagi babun kiliang baru ulong bagate ke Jingïakren isuk kamla banlong klem ki kendon namar kidon kimat bakaseng Hnlc kayang haki palat lai pesan senem balalej
negotiation. Ano try kan sedang ke formal talk dan
Kam gabala ban Kyrkieh nama almost 40 years lajang suppose nam ka struggle kala ya ban syule Kyrkieh ru yo ka mi pat kanono ka ba mi habdur hagi babun kiliang kamu bangin bu dan lain lalu kan sedang ngapain tadi keput min saya hab ini ban activity terus.
Sadon, what is the actual strength?
You have not heard anything about the Commander-in-Chief so far, whether he's part of this the whole negotiations.
Lada ka interest ka hierarchy jong ka Chelsea kim long involved akan ni ka peace process ngim la angin proceed kama.
Thank you.
Kawan ko election itu saka kapor ya election di harunai bai ta kamdon gunu ka jinya kendu jinya keren jinya kana ko banyong baga kakam haru kunta ta yad de kalong positif kamdon gunu ko mo thut ka ban panthut ya progress ka kamdon
Tekani ka formal peace talks kelas dang ne kampat dang ne
adu undang ngim padon gunu ka formal talk official talk kalau judon dia kata banyak ke formal ke Jingïakren ke agenda sekali-kali tu ni pada kampat.
And nakai ka daw ba kani ka kam simpor no?
Kelemar ka don di jerat ke bagi technicalities pak ya ka peace process ya ki technicalities jong ka proses. Lemar ba kani kamdai kam tang jong state government kamdai tang kam jong ka Chelsea kadai kam jong ka union ministry Hapdeng dalam semua bagian ke state government bat ke Chelsea nak yang ke central government ke semua yang ngomong yang ke proses dari technicalities Hapdeng ke central government ke kuat rumui ke state ke kuat ke happen wandur rumui cara nak yang ke seng ke happen wandur rumui long kita ini technicalities kibangnya ni ya siang kan penuh adu ni segi bawang tangi
Hato ki agenda sna kalyang jong ka Hnlc kala abo ne am mat jong ka Sorkar
Ka agenda singin sabu andala ada ka formal talk yang tangin pala sepelau di agenda sini.
Nakaliang kini nang elam kinon dan suka ngam kita ni semua.
Andala ada ka formal talk tikin haban no.
Ngano kini kita so.
Nanum pala anjar ka tang bending nang elam panak mali. Lamar kumba pidi bentuk lamar ba tipor ba suak election dan nakaliang foreign secretary political secretary kilawan sini asa sini. Ke mentak batang sa sini du syaman vice chairman banyak saat ini long ka si bentar ban peteng yang kam tengah ya formal talk tikin sayawan kibari-bari bunwan kun ka disikar kun ka jing ka delegation na syati kan ujuk subir ke joki
Amut pi yo ini am ya kata ke
yang central government government state government ko kamdon kan unu ka banong ba kinong serius lagi ya kidon ka komitmen ka walang pura
What about the cases against them? Yeah, there are cases against them.
Cases when the talk is on the table, then we can deliberate, we can negotiate, we can talk about all these cases. So right now the concentration is basically on the process to move forward.
Do they have any safe passage conditions?
It's already there, safe passage. Since I think I have held a press conference regarding the safe passage of the leaders who are partaking in this entire process of peace.
So the government
What about-
is willing?
Yeah, the government has already endorsed that safe passage.
What about amnesty? I mean, has this been
You
discussed?
see, these are the bigger issue. Like right now, we are talking of the safe passage. Then generally, if we look about the modalities of conducting this peace process in the other part of Northeast, also we find that amnesty must be there. Then follow a kind of ceasefire arrangement. Then the rehabilitation arrangement has to be done. I mean, all those things. These are the technicalities that we are dealing with right now.
What about the criminal cases? Because earlier militant groups, they asked for writing of all the criminal cases.
See, writing of criminal case, basically in one word, it means amnesty. Whatever criminal case for us relating to these rebel groups in India and other part of the world, and even in Northeast also. Waiving of criminal cases is a general plan within the amnesty. So far, amnesty we have not yet discussed at any level. But once the formal talk is scheduled and is held, then we can deal with these criminal cases, because amnesty is a must.
If I'm the stand of the HNLC on this particular issue?
You see, lead by Taufik Thankiu, he has neither participated in the peace process at that point of time, and secondly, he is not surrendering. He is a retiree of the organization. So it is not be fitting for him also to claim for the rehabilitation, because he has never surrendered, and at that point of time the peace process is not in process. So it is befitting what he has done.
So the rehabilitation, just a second, Bajus. Has the HNLC discussed about the rehabilitation package?
So far we have, from the HNLC and from my side, we have not put any kind of discussion or agendas regarding the rehabilitation.
Okay, the thing is about unconditional talks.
Yeah.
What exactly the group wants? I mean, what do they want?
You see, a talk cannot be 100% unconditional, because if it is unconditional, then we don't need to talk. There are agendas like political issues, and other issues concerning the stand of the HNLC, which has been there for the last 37 years. So basically, we cannot say that the talk can be have to be unconditional. There are conditions that we have put forward.
What about this instrument of accession and standstill agreement?